Classification of surveying. Surveying involves measurements of distances and angles, preparation of field notes. Surveying is classified into topographical, military, geological, geodetic, plane, aero, hydrographic surveying, etc. Topographical survey. Topography is the study of Earth's surface, shape and features, or those of planets, moons and asteroids. It is also the description of such surface, shapes and features. The topography of an area can also mean the surface shape and features them. Topography is concerned with local detail in general, including not only relief but also vegetative and human-made features and even local history and culture. Topographic surveying involves the production of maps and plans which are true to scale. Topographic maps are produced to accurately represent details of both the natural and built environment. They will also include symbols representing features or data too small to produce to scale. Geodetic survey. Geodetics, branch of earth sciences, is the scientific discipline that deals with the measurement and representation of the earth, including its gravitational field in a three-dimensional time-varying space. Geodesists also study geodynamical phenomena such as crustal motion, tides, and polar motion. For this, they design global and national control networks using space and terrestrial techniques while relying on datums and coordinate systems. Geodetic survey is the survey of a large area of land in which corrections are made to account for the curvature of the earth. Plane surveying. Plane surveying are the most commonly practiced method of surveying and treat the earth as a flat or plane surface, good enough for small scale surveys in limited areas. The curvature of the earth has no effect on the results. Thus, the computations and results can be referenced to a plane or flat surface. Plane surveys are used for determination of legal boundaries, for engineering surveys, for the construction of buildings and roads, and also for small scale topographic surveys. Aero surveying. Aero survey is a geomatics method of collecting information by using aerial photography or from remote sensing imagery using other bands of the electromagnetic spectrum such as infrared, gamma or ultraviolet. It can refer to the chart or map made by analyzing region from the air. This is typically done using aeroplanes, helicopters and in the history with balloons. Aerial survey should be distinguished by satellite imagery technologies because of its better resolution, quality and atmospheric conditions. Today, aero survey is often recognized as a synonym for aerophotogrammetry, part of photogrammetry where the camera is placed in the air. Measurements on aerial images are provided by photogrammetric technologies and methods. Aero surveys can provide information on many things not visible from the ground. Aero surveys are used for archaeology, fishery surveys, land survey, mining, monitoring wildlife and insect populations, called aerial census or sampling. Monitoring vegetation and ground cover reconnaissance. Hydrographic survey. Hydrographic survey is the science of measurement and description of features which affect maritime navigation, marine construction, dredging, offshore oil exploration or drilling, and related disciplines. Strong emphasis is placed on soundings, shorelines, tides, currents, seafloor and submerged obstructions that relate to the previously mentioned activities. The term hydrography is sometimes used synonymously to describe maritime cartography, which is the final stages of the hydrographic process, uses the raw data collected through hydrographic survey into information usable by the end user. Hydrography is collected under rules which vary depending on the acceptance authority. Traditionally conducted by vessels and with echo sounding, surveys are increasingly conducted with the aid of aircraft and sophisticated electronic sensor systems in shallow waters.